In May 2009, as part of Scottish Power's CCS consortium bid, Aker Technology headed to Longannet Power Station in Scotland to set up a mobile carbon capture test unit.
This is a first for the UK. This will mean jobs, skills and hopefully a whole new industry. This is the first part of our project using the mobile test unit to trial our capture processes that are then going to be replicated and used hopefully in 5 years' time to fully demonstrate CO2 capture from Longannet and storage in the central North Sea.
The MTU is a scaled-down capture plant. It will use the same processes that will ultimately be upscaled and implemented on the full-scale project at Longannet Power Station.
Longannet provides the power to heat and light around 2 million homes as far afield as London and Liverpool. Longannet's a coal-fired power station and as such burns lots of coal from both the UK and around the world. When we burn coal, it emits CO2, and our great challenge is to capture that CO2 before it gets up into the atmosphere.
So, how does CCS work?
Carbon capture technology uses special chemicals to capture CO2 from power station exhaust gases. The CO2 is then turned into liquid and transported either by ship or by pipe to the North Sea to be stored in highly porous rock formations about a mile below the seabed. But before we do all that, we need to test the science.
Over several months, the MTU will gather data and performance information on the best chemical mix to use and give us an understanding of the energy required for the process, helping us to make sure that the full-scale project is commercially viable.
It's a really exciting time for us all at Longannet. We're hoping to take 90% of the carbon dioxide out of our flue gases. Very, very exciting. If this project is successful, and we believe it will be, it can be used around the world, so a huge global impact. But what's particularly exciting for me and brings it home is the guys 40 years ago who built this place, at the time in 1969, were using leading edge technology. Today, almost 40 years on to the day, we're taking it to the next stage. Myself and my team and everybody associated, very excited to be part of it.
This is a first for the UK and leads the way in the challenge to prove carbon capture technology.
Equipment like this mobile test unit behind me here would not even been discussed when I was studying, and now here it is demonstrating carbon capture at a coal power plant for the first time.
This is a great day for the local community and Longannet and the staff here. It's a great investment from Scottish Power to bring this carbon capture pilot project here. It will ensure the future, hopefully ensure the future of Longannet.
The MTU will allow us to develop the technology to improve efficiency, drive down the costs and ultimately help the environment.